Do you ever feel as though you're toiling in obscurity, your efforts unnoticed? You may contemplate seeking recognition, yet it feels as though you're invisible. It's a tale many can relate to, but it need not be yours. Picture yourself walking into a space, altering the atmosphere, commanding respect and receiving acknowledgement for your input. Your opinions are sought after, your presence desired. This isn't mere fantasy. It's the outcome of mastering ancient Stoic techniques. You're about to uncover 7 potent strategies, time-tested and proven. These strategies will not only garner the appreciation you merit, but will fortify you internally. We're not chasing ephemeral moments of attention here. We're building an enduring, influential presence that resonates long after the initial encounter. Let's begin. 1. Cultivate your own joy. This method revolves around self-reliance. Recognize that genuine joy originates internally, not from external circumstances or the validation of others. Embracing this philosophy, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and joy in life's controllable aspects. This isn't about solitude, but about finding delight in nature, personal accomplishments, or solitude's peace. Such self-reliance bolsters your independence and resilience, keeping you unaffected by the external world's fluctuations or judgments. Your self-generated happiness exudes a compelling, positive aura that draws others in. 2. Prioritize self-care by stepping back. Withdrawing signifies self-respect and prioritization of your needs. It underscores the importance of recognizing your boundaries and courageously distancing yourself from relationships, scenarios, or tasks misaligned with your values or well-being. This isn't impulsive action, but a deliberate, thoughtful retreat, assessing what truly benefits you. This demonstration of self-worth and understanding of when to disengage frees you from single-minded outcomes. You learn to value your time, energy, and emotions, directing them towards endeavors that resonate with your principles and aspirations, thereby gaining greater control over your life. This conscious detachment also shifts others' perceptions, making them consider your absence's impact. This isn't manipulation, it's self-appreciation and understanding your worth. 3. Embrace and express your authentic self. This tactic emphasizes the significance of authenticity and allowing it to drive you. Engage in activities that align with your true self, for authenticity captivates and inspires. Living authentically allows you to craft your narrative and approach, affirming the value of your identity and actions, which in turn motivates others. Sincerity fosters deeper, more meaningful connections, creating an environment of acceptance, support, and mutual enhancement. Ultimately, this strategy underscores the transformative power of authenticity and the respect it commands. It encourages you to be a genuine leader who inspires authenticity in others. 4. Embrace your uniqueness. Understanding that being unique can enhance perceived value is a mark of wisdom. It's not about distancing yourself from others or being unreachable. It's about the strategic use of your availability. Engaging in activities that stimulate your mind and nourish your soul will organically limit your availability. This isn't about adopting an aloof demeanor. Rather, it's about investing your time and energy into what truly matters to you. Constant availability can lead to being overlooked or undervalued. Conversely, judicious participation and contributing meaningfully can garner respect and attention. It's crucial to clarify that this isn't about isolation or cultivating an air of mystery. Instead, it's about choosing to engage in pursuits and with people who align with your values and aspirations, thereby amplifying your impact on those you encounter. Recognizing the worth of your time and efforts ensures that others will too. 5. Commit to continuous learning. This principle underscores the significance of perpetual self-improvement and learning. Life should be viewed as a journey of growth, with each experience offering a lesson. Embracing continuous development involves seeking new knowledge, skills, and experiences, whether through extensive reading, education, or embracing new challenges in your personal and professional spheres. This mindset not only deepens your understanding of the world, but also enhances your contributions to discussions and projects. It reflects a commitment to personal growth and a genuine desire for knowledge. By dedicating yourself to improvement, you become a beacon of inspiration for others to pursue their own growth. Striving to be your best self is an acknowledgement of the endless potential for learning. 6. Master the art of silence. This tactic highlights the value of intentional communication and the power of silence. Sometimes pausing before reaching out or initiating dialogue can invite others to step in. It's about balancing openness with the mindful use of your time and presence. Silence here doesn't equate to remoteness, it's about discerning the right moments to speak. This pause allows for reflection, fostering deeper understanding and stronger connections. Practicing silence is a demonstration of confidence and restraint. It's not about constant interaction but cherishing impactful conversations. Thoughtful communication involves choosing the right moments and words, ensuring they are significant. Silence used wisely fosters authentic and profound relationships. 7. Own your space. Assertiveness involves voicing your thoughts when they add value and leading when necessary. This self-assurance stems from self-awareness, not arrogance. It's about recognizing and honoring your worth. In doing so, you command respect and demonstrate your contributions. Claiming your space is about self-advocacy and self-respect. It's acknowledging your significance and your ability to influence and inspire. This isn't about conceit, but about healthy self-regard. It's selecting where to invest your time and energy, in environments where you are valued and appreciated. These 7 concepts conclude the guide to enhancing your value and confidence. They are about manifesting your inner strength, not manipulation. You define your worth. By adhering to these principles, you present yourself as a person of substance who commands self-respect and refuses to settle for less. Balancing kindness with self-worth and caring for others as well as yourself is key in life. Allow awareness and sincerity to guide your path. Aim not merely to manage, but to excel in these virtues. Navigate life purposefully, make thoughtful choices, and cherish a heart brimming with joy. Savor every instant, for it's within this equilibrium that you unearth the splendor of a life's voyage worth cherishing. I trust this video has been beneficial to you. Thanks for tuning in. Please feel free to leave your impressions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the content, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay informed about our latest motivational videos. Looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming one.